Hey there gamers, are you ready to experience the PC that's faster than Usain Bolt on a Red Bull? Well, today we got a treat for you. We are going to show you the components that make up the ultimate gaming machine. And because we want to keep this video short, let's dive right in and take a look at the parts we'll be using today. Let's start with the brain of the operation, the Ryzen 9 7900X. This high-end processor packs a lot of power and can handle anything it's provided. From gaming to streaming to video editing, doesn't matter. We'll be able to handle it all. It has dual cores, 24 threads, making it one of the most powerful processors on the market. We went with the ASUS TUF X670 Extreme motherboard. This motherboard is built with durability in mind, and it can handle even the most demanding gaming situations without breaking a sweat. It also features PCIe 5.0 support, which means faster data transfer speeds and more efficient communication between components. Next up, we have the graphics card, the Zotac 4090 Trinity. This is the most powerful graphics card on the market with a whopping 24GB of GDDR6X memory and 16,384 CUDA cores. Is the perfect choice for gamers who want to experience their favorite games in high resolutions and with all the graphics settings turned up to the max. To power all these components, we have chosen the Deepcool DQ1000W PSU. This power supply unit is efficient, reliable, and designed to handle high loads with ease. It also features fully modular designs, which means you can use only the cables you need and keep your build tidy. For memory, we have gone with the 32GB XPG DDR5 Lancer 6000MHz kit. This is the latest DDR5 memory technology with speeds of up to 6000 MHz, making it ideal for gamers who want to push their machines to the limits. It also features RGB lighting, which will add some style to your build. For storage, we have chosen the crucial P3 1TB NVMe. This SSD has read speeds of up to 3400 megabytes per second and write speeds of 3000 megabytes per second. It's perfect for gamers who want to load their games quickly and reduce load times. For the cooler, we are using the Lian Li Galahad 360mm SL Edition cooler. Accompanying them will be two kits of Lian Li's Uni Fan SL120. The fans and radiators are designed to keep your components cool even during intense gaming sessions. They're also stylish and will add some flair to your build. Finally, all this will be housed in Lian Li's O11 Dynamic Evo. You already know how good this build is gonna look, so let's get to the fun part. Let's start building this beast. Will the build complete? And I always mention this, but it always feels nice when the PC turns on with the first touch of the power button. Now before we get a look at the PC in all its glory, let's take a look at some of the gaming benchmarks. First up, we have Cyberpunk on 4K, max preset, and ray tracing turned to max. No DLSS because this game runs quite well at native 4K. We saw frame rates well above 70 FPS most of the time, and this is the first time I've seen a machine that makes Cyberpunk enjoyable at 4K native. Next up is Hogwarts Legacy on 4K native, RT set to max and max preset. We saw FPS hover in the mid 40s, so I would recommend setting DLSS to quality for this one. Once DLSS is set to quality, we see frame rate jump to mid 60s to 70 FPS in the outside world, and in the middle of Hogsmeade we see frame rates around mid 50s to 60s. Moving to The Witcher 3 next gen on 4K native with all settings turned to max, we see even the 4090 struggle a bit. With our average frame rate of around 34 FPS, well, this is a title that makes 4090 make sense. Setting DLSS to quality, we see our frame rates improve, but not by a lot. We averaged about 45 FPS. Let's take a look at some competitive shooters, and I know benchmarking them on 4K doesn't make any sense, but we're going to do it anyway for the sake of 4090. In Valorant, at 4K, with all the settings turned to max, our FPS are mostly between 600 to 650 FPS and drops to around low 500. It doesn't matter after that. I had also benchmarked CSGO, but we couldn't use a video as the graph was missing. But we already know what to expect from a 4090 in CSGO. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate gaming PC. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed building this beast. And remember, when it comes to gaming, the only thing that should be lagging is your opponents. If you found this video helpful, entertaining, or just downright awesome, be sure to give it a like, share it with your friends who are also into gaming or tech. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on gaming.